Sa pagkakaalam ko po, sa mga storya po, yung Virginia's Bake Shop po, nanggaling po siya sa rented building lang po. So, yung owner po ng building ngayon, nung kinailangan niya na po gamitin yung lote po niya, na kailangan na po namin umalis from that spot. So, nag-invest po yung grandparents ko. They took the risk of buying their own lot and magpagawa po ng sarili nilang building para magawa po yung mga tinapay and in order to serve our customers po. And also, nung times po nung COVID din po, kala po namin, kasi lahat naman po tayo naapektuhan nun dito po. So, it was a really hard time. Pero because Virginia's has become a really big part of our customers' lives, bumabalik po sila sa amin. Their loyalty and support to us means a lot in our lives. Our customers po, they come from not just Balagtas, Bulacan, pero dumadayo po sila galing Bulacan. Minsan nga po naka-encounter po ako, galing pa pong Nueva Ecija, nautusan lang daw po sila bumili. Tapos meron din po mga nag-try po mag-resell and apparently, tinapay po namin is yung Norris po, which is sa Bukawi po. So, yung mga memorable customers po namin is yung firstly, yung mga yung mga nagre-resell nga po, bibili po dito, dadalhin po sa bahay. Tapos, dun po nila ibibenta. And at the same time, nakakain din po nila yung product namin. And also, memorable customers din po yung mga, katulad nga po na sinabi ko po na galing po sa malayo, bibili lang po dito kasi dito yung pinakagusto po nilang klase po na tinapay na yun. So, yun po. Hi, my name is Rovi Santiago and I am the grandson of the founder of Virginia's Bake Shop that was created noong 1978. Virginia's Bake Shop started when my grandparents were offered a rented spot in a building with baking equipment. They started their business and my grandmother actually worked part-time in her aunt's bakery and dreamt of making a bakery for herself. Virginia's Bake Shop is actually from my grandmother's name, which is Viring po. Virginia. That's why actually kung titignan niyo po, yung logo po namin, yung cup po nung parang chef po, RNV po yung nakalagay. R stands for Rolando and V po starts for Viring po. Nung time daw po na my grandmother was working for her aunt's bakery, she started to have dreams of starting a bakery on her own. Sa pagkakaalam ko po, ang unang tinapay po talaga ng Virginias is yung ensaymada at mamon po. Ang bestseller po ng Virginias Bake Shop is yung ensaymada po namin, and yung all-time favorite po is yung egg pie. Yung pinakamura po namin is from 18, 20 pesos, 25 to 35. Ang pinakamahal na tinapay po talaga is 80 pesos po. So my grandmother is a very business-minded person. She puts the business over herself. She's a very hard worker. And she's of all sorts of visionary po when it comes to her business, and she has a lot of dreams. Yun po talaga ang pagkakaalam ko sa kanya. And ang turo niya po sa amin is mangarap ng malaki. Baboy lang talaga. The management was passed down from her to my parents, which is this business is now managed by our family. Here po kasi in Balagtas, Bulacan, Virginias is a part of daily need of our customers. So parang for me po, parang pag may ibang bakery po silang pinupuntahan, parang iba po yung quality and price po namin. For me po, bilang po yung pinakabunso po dito sa family, ako po talaga nagagalingan po ako sa mga magulang ko po, and sa grandparents ko po, dahil they can build a connection with the customers, and the customers trust our brand, our products to become part of their essential needs sa daily lives po nila. For me po, nakaka-proud po na nasasarapan po sila sa mga tinapay po namin, especially knowing the fact na inaaral po talaga ng magulang ko po yun, ng grandparents ko po yun, tsaka po ng mga magulang ko. And they work day and night to serve our customers properly. So now, vision for Virginias Bake Shop is to expand. Let's say, for now, buong Bulacan po muna. Buong Bulacan po muna sakop ng Virginias Bake Shop. Pero our ultimate goal talaga is to expand Virginias Bake Shop even more and to reach more customers. That's why nga ngayon po, lumalabas na rin po kami sa social media. It is to bring our brand to all the customers that would want, and we know that would like our products po. Kasi po, dati po talaga, actually, nagsimula po kami, nakapugon po. So, throughout time, tuwing nagkakaroon po kami ng mga bagong panadero po, they were trained by, it's either my grandmother, my mother, or other family members po. Now, actually, pag ginagawa po yun, pag naturuan na po, tapos ginagawa na po nila on a daily basis, kailangan po i-quality check po lagi, sine-check po talaga bawat tinapay po bago po i-benta po sa mga tao. And part na rin po yun ng a labor of love po namin dito po sa paggagawa po ng tinapay. You have to actually love making the bread to serve the customers well. So, pati rin po yung mga quality po ng ingredients, yung mga suppliers po namin, tinitignan din po namin kung magiging bagay po ba siya sa ibang ingredients po, kung maayos po ba yung kalalabasan ng mga tinapay po na gagawin namin. Sa bawat tinapay po, sa bawat gawa po namin, has to be done carefully since food industry nga po kami. So, kailangan po pati po yung health ng customers, we take it into consideration.
Daw! Ninang yun!
Dito muna.
Ninang kita ano?
Hindi na ako.
A lot of people my age nowadays, ang ginagawa po nila, nanonood po sila ng mga videos on how to do things, how to do business, how to become an entrepreneur. Ano po yung pwede nilang innovation na gawin, ganun po yung ginagawa po ng mga katulad ko po, na kaedad ko po. Pinaka-importante po talaga is just to do it. To do what comes to mind, to do the business, to do something in order to level up. Kasi po madalas po ngayon pag nanonood na lang po tayo is nasa stuck po sila sa ganun na stage. Yung puro aral lang po, wala naman pong gawa. So for me po, gawa po muna talaga. And while you're doing that thing, mas natututo po tayo to do it better. For the future po, for you to succeed. Virginia's Bake Shop is located in Balagtas, Bulacan, and operating hours po is from 7:30 to 6 p.m. And for Sundays naman po, it's 7:30 po to 12 lang. For now po, wala pa po kami mga branches, pero ako po bilang pong isang batang entrepreneur, nangangarap po ako na to bring Virginia's Bake Shop to, if not nation po, worldwide po.